Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making garlic butter skillet flatbreads. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. No yeast, no waiting. Just mix, roll, and cook in minutes. Imagine pulling a hot, soft flatbread from the pan slathered in garlic butter. The smell alone is pure comfort. This recipe is perfect for busy nights or when you want a homemade treat fast. It's so simple, anyone can do it. No fancy skills or equipment needed. Get the kids involved. Messy hands are part of the fun. Don't worry about perfect shapes. Each flatbread is unique and that's the charm. Ready to make some kitchen magic? Let's get started. We're turning simple ingredients into something truly special. Here's what you need. 2 cups self-raising flour, 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 or 2 garlic cloves. That's it. 4 ingredients. No self-raising flour? Just add 1½ teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt to plain flour. Use full-fat yogurt for the softest flatbreads. These basics come together for something amazing. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. This is honest, joyful food. Measure out your ingredients and let's make the dough. You'll be surprised how quickly these come together. Let's get mixing. Grab a big bowl and add your flour. Make a well, add the yogurt, and mix from the center out until a shaggy dough forms. When it gets tough to stir, use your hands. Don't be shy. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and knead gently for about a minute, just until it's soft and not sticky. Divide into 6-8 pieces, roll each into a ball. Roll each ball into a thin circle or oval. No need for perfection. Rustic shapes are what make these flatbreads special. Aim for coin-thick rounds. That's it. The dough is ready for the pan. Let's cook them up. Heat a dry skillet over medium-high until hot. While it heats, melt butter and stir in crushed garlic. Place a rolled flatbread in the pan. Cook 1-2 minutes until bubbles form and golden spots appear. Flip and cook another minute. Brush hot flatbread with garlic butter as soon as it comes out of the pan. Sprinkle with parsley or chili flakes if you like. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Soon you'll have a stack of warm, glistening flatbreads. The aroma is irresistible. And there you have it, a stack of homemade garlic butter flatbreads, ready in minutes. Tear one open and enjoy the soft, steamy inside. Perfect for dipping in hummus, tzatziki, curry, or soup. They're great as a snack, or even as a quick pizza base. Try adding herbs or cheese for your own twist. Cooking is about creativity. Make it yours. Share your flatbread creations in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and spread the joy of homemade food. Get in the kitchen and give these a try. Happy baking!